Right, I hope you got some really great stuff to show me. What I want to talk about now is how we can identify things like this picture uniquely so it can be modified by our style sheet. Now to do that, we're going to use ID. ID stands for identify or identification, and I'm going to type it within the image tag itself. And it's very easy. So I've clicked on that. I go ID equals, and then in speech marks, we just give it a simple name. Now, that name, I want it to be something that I can recognize. In fact, in this case, I want it to be linked to a behavior. And the behavior is going to be that the image is going to be on the right-hand side of the page. So I'm going to call this one Images Right. Again, there's no spaces. I'm going to save that. Now I can go to my style sheet. Now in the style sheet, all I need to do is enter in this Images Right. Now, because it's a name I've made myself, it's unique, and the browser won't recognize this unique name, I'm going to have to start it with a hash. So whenever we are using names like ID that we've created ourselves, we let it know it's a unique one by starting with a hash. Now you can see it actually has given me the suggestion. It doesn't always, don't worry if it doesn't. So I could click on it, or I'm going to type it. And remember, we always begin with a squiggly bracket. So there's my squiggly brackets. And now anything I type in here will be applied to Images Right. Now, I wanted this image to float on the right-hand side of the screen. So that's very simple. We just type in float. Colon, it's the same if you look above, it's the same as above. Oops. Colon. And now right for right. Semicolon to finish the action. And now I just want to save all. I'm going to give that a quick test, and we should see now, when we look at our web page, you can see that the image is now floating on the right hand side of the screen. It's that simple. Okay, away you go.